You just had a really good conversation with ChatGPT, and now you want to send it to someone. No screenshots, no copy pasting. Here's how to share it. First, go to your sidebar on the left. That's where all your chats are. Find the one you want to share and just hover over it. You'll see 3 dots pop up on the right side of the chat name. Click that. A little menu drops down. Go ahead and click Share. This is your share preview. You can actually see exactly what the other person is going to see before you send it, which is really handy. Click Copy Link. And that's it. The link is now on your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere, in an email, a message, Slack, whatever. And the best part, the person you send it to doesn't even need a ChatGPT account to view it. Quick thing to know, the shared link is a snapshot of the conversation at the moment you shared it. If you keep chatting after this, those new messages won't show up in the link. You just need to reshare it. And if you ever want to delete a shared link, click your profile icon and head over to Settings, then Data Controls, and you'll see a Manage option under Shared Links. You can delete specific chats here to delete shared link. That's all there is to it. Open the chat, hit the 3 dots, share, copy the link, done. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.